Well, thanks. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it.
It's a privilege. Thank you.
Absolutely. So what is Giving Tuesday for those who aren't aware?
Well, Giving Tuesday is a global day designated to give back. And, you know, to me, it's an opportunity for all of us who've been blessed with many things in life to give back to those who are less fortunate. And one of the ways that you can do that is by supporting St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, which is what we're going to talk about here a little bit today. And an incredible campaign that our friends at Kmart are putting on to benefit the kids in the research that's done at St. Jude.
So can you tell us about the Ugly Sweater for Better and how it will help St. Jude?
Absolutely, Candace. Well, I will tell you, the Ugly Sweater for Better campaign is probably the most fun you will ever have donating to St. Jude. It's very quick, very easy, and a ton of fun. So quick 3 steps. You post, you challenge, and you tag. The first thing you do is you go to your closet and you find the wackiest, craziest sweater you have in there, or if you don't have one, we sell some at Kmart that are fun. But you post a selfie in your favorite sweater and you post that to any of your social networks. So that's number 1. The second thing you do is you challenge your friends, because it is all about having a little fun with your friends. I mean, whose sweater is going to be uglier? But we want to make sure that it goes viral, because you know, every post is going to generate $1 to St. Jude. But the third thing you do is you include a tag at Kmart and a tag at St. Jude, but you include the hashtag Ugly Sweater for Better. And again, anytime anybody does that, we're going to donate $1 to St. Jude to help amazing people like Courtney, who's our superstar for today, and a patient at St. Jude.
That's amazing. So can you tell us about St. Jude and how it makes a difference in the lives of children and families?
Sure. So St. Jude Children's Research Hospital leads the way the world understands, treats, and defeats childhood cancer and other deadly diseases. It's that special place located in Memphis, Tennessee, but where doctors literally across the United States and increasingly the world send some of their sickest patients, because we offer the highest survival rates for childhood cancer and some of the more challenging deadly diseases that afflict kids today. But the really special thing about St. Jude is that no family will ever receive a bill from St. Jude, not for the cost of treatment, travel, housing, or food, because all we want our moms and dads to worry about is hoping their child survive childhood cancer or another catastrophic disease. And you know, really what it comes down to is no mom or dad should ever have to make a health care decision based upon how good their health insurance is, how much money is in their bank account. We want to do whatever it's going to take to get kids better, regardless of their circumstance. And that's what this campaign is all about. Because you see, St. Jude relies upon public donations to be able to do that. 75% of the money necessary to operate St. Jude comes from the support of the public, our amazing partners like Kmart, and from people participating in this hashtag Ugly Sweater for Better campaign. And you are literally benefiting kids like Courtney, who's one of our patients here at St. Jude.
And isn't it about $1 million a day to run St. Jude?
Oh, it's more than that. It's over $2.4 million per day to operate St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. And again, 75% of the money necessary to operate St. Jude has to come from the general public.
Courtney, you are such an inspiration. Can you tell us how St. Jude has affected your life?
Thank you so much, of course. I was diagnosed with SS sickle cell disease in utero, and I immediately, once I was born, became a patient of St. Jude, and I've been a patient my whole life. And at first, I was so very ill, in and out of the hospital, but when I turned the age of 3, I went on a trial study that completely changed my way of life. I received such amazing care at St. Jude, so I'm able to be in a grade with people that are my own age. I'm able to go to school and hang out with friends. And the best part about St. Jude is that it's also so very special. Where else in the world can you get ice cream at any hour? It's just such an amazing place. And it's able to operate and be the way it is because of amazing supporters and the great research done.
That's amazing, Courtney. I'm glad you're doing so well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely. So how can those who don't have social media give back to St. Jude on Giving Tuesday or any day of the year?
Well, you can certainly go to our website at stjude.org. That's stjude.org, and you can make a donation there. You can find out how you can participate in one of our events that take place all across the country. And also, you can support our friends at Kmart, can't they, Kelly?
That's right. There's 3 other ways that you can participate in our campaign this year for St. Jude. One of those is you can go to Kmart.com or any of our stores and buy the St. Jude bear ornament, which is so awesome. It's $5, and the proceeds go to St. Jude. Jude. The second thing you have is you can buy one of these, which we've never had before. This is a tote designed by a patient, Emmanuel, at St. Jude. So he designed this tote, and they're $1.99, and their proceeds go to St. Jude as well. So we've never done this before, which is a super fun thing that we've done. Yeah. And then the third thing is you can simply go to the site or any of our stores and donate. And one thing that's really special to note, Candace, is that the most popular item purchased during the holiday season, the entire holiday season at Kmart, is a donation to St. Jude. It's not just one person donating $1 million. It's millions and millions and millions of people donating $1 to $2 to $5 because their local communities are very important, and they want to support, and they have this sort of servant's heart mentality when it comes to helping others. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day, is helping somebody else.
Absolutely. And do either of you have any additional tips or information you'd like to share with us?
Yeah, you can go to kmart.com/St. Jude to hear more and
give back to the healthy. You have healthy kids in your life. Give back to those that aren't. That's what this is all about.
That's right.
Well, thank you, Richard. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Courtney. I really appreciate you all taking time out of your busy schedule to speak with me today. Have a great afternoon, and best of luck to all of you.
Thank you,
Candace.
Thank you. Bye-bye.